happy explorers, come learn and play, where fun meets learning every day.
Hello, space explorers! Welcome back to Space Adventures with Orbit the Owl. Today, we're traveling all the way to the icy edge of our solar system to meet two chilly giants, Uranus and Neptune.
Hoo-hoo! I hope you brought your space scarf because it's going to be freezing. And if not, I have an extra pair of fuzzy socks. They're purple, like me.
Zoom through space, come fly with me, past the planets 1, 2, 3.
Uranus spins the sideways way. Neptune's winds go hosts all day. Icy world so far from sun. Frozen storms.
Oh, what fun!
Hold on tight, don't slip or slide. Orbit is your chilly guide.
Far out worlds, big and blue, let's explore like astronauts do.
Count the stars and shout hooray.
Space adventure starts today.
Far beyond Saturn, past its rings, are the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. They're huge, cold, and mostly made of swirling icy gases.
Wait, ice and giants? So like a giant popsicle? Because I would totally eat that.
Not that kind of popsicle, Orbit. These planets are blue, stormy, windy, and very mysterious.
Hoo-hoo! Mysterious! Like when someone eats my last space cookie?
Let's talk about Uranus, the planet that spins on its side. Unlike Earth, which spins upright, Uranus is tilted by 98 degrees. It's like it's lying down while spinning around the sun.
So Uranus is basically saying, wake me up in 84 years. I'm taking a nap.
Exactly. Scientists think it was knocked over long ago by a massive space impact.
Well, if a giant rock hit me, I'd tilt too. Probably cry a little. Then eat another cookie.
Uranus also has rings, faint, dark, dusty ones, and 27 moons.
27 moons? That's 27 places to nap. I mean, explore. Hoo-hoo!
Now, off to Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. It's a beautiful, deep blue, but don't let that fool you. Neptune has the fastest winds in the entire solar system. They zoom at over 2,000 kilometers per hour.
2,000? That's so fast it could blow off my feathers. Hold on. Grabs feathers tightly.
Neptune is so far from the sun that a year there lasts 165 Earth years.
165 years? If I lived there, I'd only have one birthday my whole life. No, thank you.
And Neptune has a giant storm called the Great Dark Spot.
Great Dark Spot. Sounds like the name of my missing homework.
Ready for a fun activity? Hold up your hand and blow gently on it.
Now try blowing harder. Whoosh.
Even your strongest blow is nothing compared to Neptune's super winds.
If I flapped my wings on Neptune, I'd end up in another galaxy. All right, my chilly space geniuses, let's see what you learned. Hoo-hoo!
Which planet spins on its side? A. Earth. B. Uranus. C. Mars.
If you picked B, Uranus, hoo-hoo, you're right. Sideways spinner for the win.
Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? A. Neptune. B. Venus. C. Pluto.
The answer is A, Neptune. Hold on to your feathers, explorers.
What color are Uranus and Neptune mostly? A. Yellow. B. Blue. C. Orange.
If you picked B, blue. You're a star. Both are icy blue giants.
Did you know? Uranus and Neptune both get their blue color from methane gas in their atmospheres.
Methane? Is that farts nervously, like the smell in my treehouse after bean night?
Not that kind of methane, Orbit. Cosmic methane.
Ah yes, the fancy methane, the bougie gas.
Spin like Uranus, sideways fun. Neptune's winds make storms that run. Icy world so big and blue. Space is waiting just for you. Zoom around the stars so bright. Explore the galaxies every night. Orbit's here to guide the way. Let's explore another day.
Great exploring today, adventurers. You learned all about Uranus and Neptune, the far-out icy giants.
Hoo-hoo! Thanks for flying with me. Remember, stay curious, stay brave, and if a planet spins sideways, just say, hoo-hoo, cool move.
See you next time on Space Adventures with Orbit the Owl.
Hoo-hoo, bye! Hoo-hoo! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can explore more tasty adventures together.